chase sequence, much like you saw up on the big screen. But ours is for a brand new feature film set in the south of France. Now at this point, all you really need to know is that our hero, he's driving a red car. He also has a top secret offer. And everybody else, they're just trying to keep him from leaving town. Logan, how your drivers doing?
They're all set, ready to go.
All right, let's get one. Slate, please, roll film.
Rally chase sequence 7A, take one, Mark.
Here we go, drivers, on my countdown. In 3, 2, 1.
Action! Stopping by. My name is Tim Bell, the director of today's shoot, and today we're going to show you what goes into making some of these dynamic car chase sequences like the ones that you just saw. And one of the first things I learned as a director was to hire some of the best help in town. I surround myself with the best I can get, including this man, Mr. Logan Newell, my stunt coordinator.
How you doing, everybody? It's it.
Ready for a seat, bud?
That went well.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You know what? Do me a favor. While I got you for a second, while we're still setting up, you got to talk to our guests for a little bit about what you do as a stunt coordinator.
Briefly, and then I'll get back to it. All right, guys. Basically, my job out here is to choreograph a lot of the action that you see. Always staying in communication with the stunt team just to make sure we shoot everything safely, right?
That's right. Safety is our #1 priority out here.
Absolutely. It is critical. These drivers make it look pretty easy out here, but there's a lot of planning and training involved, that's for sure.
You got that right.
Gotta get going.
You bet, buddy. So, yeah.
QX, I'm ready for it.
Fantastic. I'd like to see the video system cameras 1 through 4, please.
Got it.
Thank you.
Let's bring up the video assistant cameras 1 through 4, please. 1 through 4.
There we are. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I should mention when you see black and white images up on the big screen today, what you're seeing is a video image of what our film camera actually saw. We call this video assist. It allows us to preview the action before we get the film developed. This looks great. Here's our hero throwing the 180 right to the terrace, and our pursuit vehicle's boxing in the nicely. That looks fantastic. Now notice how some of these shots are framed, ladies and gentlemen. These cars are traveling pretty fast, but when we drop the camera down low for just a moment, it makes them appear like they're going even faster. These are all looking good. I like it. Can I see the ramp shots, please?
Sure thing.
Good
So,
stuff.
bring up the ramp footage, please. All angles on the ramp footage.
Here's our here on the approach. Pursuit vehicles forced them to change the line up over the ramps that was there from the camera truck I'm riding on.